Hello and welcome to another Elliott with analysis. Today I want to talk about Nasdaq. Right. So at this point in time, we are Friday, and we are I think around 2.5 hours into the trading session. Right. Before that, 2 years ago, I actually posted a very quick update on Nasdaq short and mentioned that it's a wave three of three, right? But it was a very rush update. I just want to update on the wave count, right? So we can review this, right? So this was what I posted. So I mentioned that this is the wave update 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this entire blue color one is one wave, right? And then this is actually a wave two, and this is a wave one of three and a wave two of three, right? Which is why if you see this stop loss, right, is just above this because this is wave two of three, right? Right. So I mentioned stop above the wave two of three high, right? Um. Okay. So what has happened, right, is price has moved down since then, right? Never even do a retracement up again, right? This is very typical of wave three, right? Where the strength itself don't actually allow uh, it to move up, right? To show any form of strength, right? So since then, what has happened? So this is where I posted it, right? So this is on the 15 minutes, right? You just look at this picture. I have put as wave one, wave two, no change, right? And then wave three. So what I believe is that wave three has entered. Now, if you look at lower time frame, where I drew the another wave itself, okay. So over here, how does this wave tree look like? Now you notice this small little parallel channel, right? Because this is actually a wave four, right? So this wave one can be further broken down, right? So it will look something like this, like wave one, two, three, four, and five. Sorry for not being too precise, right? Right. So this one, within it, you can also see five wave, right? Right. Just that I don't have a habit of going down below 5 minutes because of the noise. Right. To keep this clean, I will also remove. I just want to show you that this is how wave one looks like, and then wave two, wave three, wave four, and wave five. Now, some of the tests that we definitely need to do is to test that wave three is not the shortest wave, right? So using wave one and extend from here, you can see that actually wave three is already longer than wave one in terms of the price. Okay, and then wave four is wave five is still the shortest wave, and wave four did not go into the territory of wave one. Okay, so now this is my wave three of three. All right, and where are we now is that we are in wave four, right? Wave four. So for wave four, usually I will not try to attempt to do any trades because wave four itself can be quite unpredictable, right? In terms of it can do a mini triple combination even, right? So if you really have to trade wave four, I would say it's a short. Those short term trade. If it goes up, you short. Comes down, you close, right? But because based on my count, right, there should still be one more wave five down. So what I would recommend is not too long, right, but to take opportunities when it comes to short. Okay, so you always do just one side because this is still in a wave three down. I'm expecting one more wave down, right, wave five, right? But how long will this wave four be? I cannot estimate at this point in time. Okay, yeah. So be careful of traps, like you think that it's breakdown, you short and then you move up. This is very typical of wave four, to be very rangy. So this is this entire wave, and I think I didn't really explain the how I set the this target. Okay, so maybe over here I will just okay. I think I use the 4 hourly. Okay, I use the 4 hourly. So I, let me just try to see. Yeah, I believe I didn't actually do any Fibonacci extension, which I usually do. So what I did is I probably just used this because I was in a rush. So I just probably did a estimation here, right? Luckily, I wasn't too far off at this point in time. Okay, so let's do it live on the to do this estimation of the wave, right? So let's see whether we have anything close to here. At the moment, we do not have, right? Based on wave one, we do not have. Okay, so let me just remove this. Do I have anything close? But if I use this entire wave one here, right? So what I'm looking for is probably 1.618 or minimally one. Okay, so if I use one, right? Um, this target is still too small. Okay, this target is still too small. So what can we do is now this is assuming that that wave C is longer, but in the correction wave C may not be, right? But I would still suggest not to be so ambitious or aggressive here to really go for 16,500. Okay, to still keep this because there is this strong support here, right? But if you're aggressive, this is where you maybe slightly above is good, right? And over at this point, I remember I talk about productivity in trading. If you short and you expect it to take, maybe a week, and it happens in one trading session, right? If you're talking about cash, right, or 1.5 or two days, right? If you're talking about futures or CFD, you have already reached the bulk of the profit target. So productivity in trading or the efficiency also, right, is that you will take out some of your size, right? Once you take out some of your size, right, you can let the rest just ride onto that position. It's the same suggestion that I gave when I talk about Nasdaq short last time, and also when I talk about Nikkei, right, productivity, right. Even though this is a wave three, right, we also want to be mindful that we we put some money in the pocket first, right, because of the efficiency of capital, right. If you can deploy it elsewhere, like in gold or something, gold has been quite volatile recently, right. So there are some trading opportunities there, right. So the other thing is peace of mind, and also you do not want to take weekend risks, okay. So, and I mean, we are the last training session, so there's some weekend risk over there. So yeah, that's it for the update, and good luck to your trading. Thank you.